This week's Sweet St. Louis Moment is brought to you by Clayton's Bakery on Manchester Road in Des Peres. Stop by and say hello to all the wonderful people who work with Bill Clayton out there and find out why sweet moments happen at Clayton's Bakery every day. Now here's Anina.
This week's Sweet St. Louis Moment actually comes from Indianapolis. Brackets for Good, a nonprofit based there, holds a bracket-style charity competition every year for charities in 3 different cities, until this year when they added a 4th city, St. Louis. Local organizations compete to raise the most money throughout the 5-week-long competition, and the organization that raises the most is awarded an additional $10,000. Every other organization gets to keep what they raise throughout the competition. The winner of the inaugural competition in St. Louis was Athletes for Animals, founded by St. Louis Blues captain David Backus and his wife Kelly. Athletes for Animals helps fund grants for animal welfare and rescue organizations and teach people about responsible pet ownership. They raised nearly $40,000 in total, and 63 other local charities got to raise money and awareness, so everyone in the competition was a winner. Backus didn't stop with the bracket competition, by the way. He and the rest of the Blues team donated an autographed jersey to APA of Missouri, one of the animal welfare organizations he funds, for an upcoming fundraiser. St. Louis nonprofits can sign up for the 2017 Brackets for Good competition until October 28th. I'm Anina Christensen, and that's this week's Sweet St. Louis Moment.